Hello students, welcome to our class. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the reciprocal of number. Okay, reciprocal of number or a fraction, or it can also be known by the name multiplicative inverse of number or fraction. Reciprocal of number or fraction, or multiplicative inverse of number or fraction. Okay, means we have to find the reciprocal of any number or any fraction. Okay, so first there is a definition. If the product of two numbers is 1, then one of them is the reciprocal of other. Okay, now see the example. If we take two numbers 1 by 5 and 5 and multiply them, okay, that is if the product of two numbers, so I have take two numbers as 1 by 5 and 5, so multiply them, what we will get? 1 into 5 divided by 5, that is 5 upon 5, that is 1. So see, the product of 1 by 5 and 5 is 1, therefore product of two numbers is 1, then one of them is the reciprocal of other. Therefore we can say that 1 by 5 is reciprocal of 1 by 5 is reciprocal of 5, or also we can say that 5 is reciprocal of 1 by 5. Okay, if the product of two number is 1, then one of them is reciprocal of other. Therefore 1 by 5 is reciprocal of 5, and 5 also is a reciprocal of 1 by 5. Okay, see second example. 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. So I have take two numbers 3 by 2. Actually these are two fractions. 3 by 2 into 4 by 3. So it is 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 means 12 divided by 12, that is 1. See again, multiplication of 3 by 4 and 4 by 3 is 1. Therefore we can say that 3 by 4 is reciprocal of 4 by 3, and also we can say that 4 by 3 is reciprocal, or we can say that multiplicative inverse. Okay, so 4 by 3 is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4. Okay, so by these two examples, what we see reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. Reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. Second, reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Means what? To find also reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Okay, from these examples, see, reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. Means what? Reciprocal is obtained by interchanging numbers in numerator and denominator. Okay, see here number is 1 by 5, its numerator is 1 and denominator is 5. If we interchange the numbers in numerator and denominator, what will we get? 5. Okay, see second number 3 by 4. If we interchange the numbers in numerator and denominator, what will we get? 4 by 3. Interchange the numbers, what will we get? 4 by 3. See 5, here denominator is 1. Okay, so by interchanging the numbers in numerator and denominator, what will we get? 1 by 5. Okay, so to find the reciprocal of any number or a fraction, we have to interchange the numbers in numerator and denominator. Therefore reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Just change the numbers in numerator and denominator. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Okay, as like this you can find reciprocal of any number. So next example 4. So what is reciprocal of 2 by 5? Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Okay, as like this you can solve. So instead they can ask reciprocal of number or fraction. Okay, so what is reciprocal of 2 3 by 5? How can we find? So first convert this is actually mixed fraction. Okay, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 into 2 plus 3 divided by 5, that is 13 plus 5. Okay, that is therefore reciprocal of 13 by 5 is, so what is reciprocal of 13 by 5? Reciprocal of 13 by 5 is 5 by 13. Therefore reciprocal of 13 by 5 means 2 3 by 5 is 5 by 13. Okay, as like this you can find the reciprocal of mixed fraction also. So what we do to find the reciprocal of mixed fraction? First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction and find the reciprocal of that fraction. So here reciprocal of 13 by 5 is 5 by 13, and reciprocal of 13 by 5 means reciprocal of 2 3 by 5 is 5 by 13. As like this you can find reciprocal of improper fraction also. Okay, now we move towards the point division of fractions. So we have learned the addition of fractions, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fractions. Okay, so now we will discuss about the division of fractions. So in division of fraction, first we discuss about division of whole number, division of a whole number by a fraction. Division of whole number by a fraction means what? That is, division of whole number by fraction means 4 divided by 3 by 5. That is division of whole number by a fraction. So we have to solve this type of examples. To divide the whole number by a fraction, what we have to do? There is first step 1 is replace the division sign by multiplication and write reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, to divide whole number by a fraction, first step is replace the division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of fraction. So by first step we can write 4 divided by 3 by 5 as 4. What is our first step? Just replace the division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of fraction. So what is reciprocal of 3 by 5? Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3, and if possible then simplify, otherwise multiply. So here we can't simplify, that's why we can multiply it. So 4 into 5 is 20 divided by 3, and 20 divided by 3 can be written as 6 2 by 3. Okay, so therefore 4 divided by 3 by 5 is 6 2 by 3. Now take a second example as 1 divided by 1 by 2, means divide a whole number by a fraction. So when we divide whole number by a fraction, what we do? First replace the division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of fraction. So here fraction is 1 by 2, reciprocal of fraction is 1, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. If possible then simplify. So 1 into 2 is 2 upon 1, that is 2. Therefore 1 divided by 1 by 2 is 2. Okay, as like this you can divide any whole number by a fraction. If there will be some other type of example, means what? If we have to divide whole number by mixed fraction, whole number by mixed fraction means what? 3 divided by 2, 1 by 3. So first step is what? First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 divided by 2 1 by 3 is 3 as it is divided by, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how we convert? 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3, and that is equal to 3 divided by 3 to the 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 3. Means 3 divided by 2 1 by 3 is nothing but 3 divided by 7 by 3. Now we can divide whole number by a fraction by using above examples. So what we have got here, 3 divided by 2 1 by 3 is nothing but 3 divided by 7 by 3. Okay, so when we divide whole number by fraction, first replace division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of fraction. So reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. So what we will get? 3 3s are 9 divided by 7. Okay, so 3 divided by 2 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 7, or you can write 9 by 7 as 1 2 by 7. Okay, 9 by 7 as 1 2 by 7. Okay, in terms of mixed fraction you can write answer in terms of mixed fraction also. Okay, now take example number 4 as 4 divided by 2 2 by 5. So how we divide whole number by mixed fraction? First convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 into 5 plus 2 divided by 5, that is equal to 4 divided by 5 to the 10, 10 plus 2 12 upon 5. And we, by previous examples, 4 into 5 by 12. Okay, so if simplify, then if possible then simplify. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what remains? 1 into 5 divided by 3, and that is equal to 5 by 3. So therefore 4 divided by 2 2 by 5 is 5 by 3, or we can write 4 divided by 2 2 by 5 as 1 2 by 3. Okay, so as like this you can divide any whole number by a fraction or any whole number by a mixed fraction. Okay, now second point is division of fraction by whole number. Means what? We have to divide a fraction by whole number. In previous point we have discussed that how to divide whole number by fraction. In this point we will discuss about how to divide fraction by whole number. Okay, so take example, how to divide fraction by whole number. So I take fraction as 3 by 4 and is divided by whole number 3. Okay, that is division of fraction by whole number. So while divide the fraction by whole number, first step is replace division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of whole number. Okay, write the reciprocal of whole number. So by first step, 3 by 4 divided by 3 is written as, first replace division sign by multiplication. So 3 by 4 division sign replaced by multiplication, and write the reciprocal of whole number. So here whole number is 3. So what is reciprocal of 3? Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Okay, so 3 by 4 divided by 3 is nothing but 3 by 4 into 1 by 3, and if possible then simplify. Here 3 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3, so what remains? 1 into 1 1 upon 4 into 1 4. So 3 by 4 upon 3 is equal to 1 by 4. So as like this you can divide a fraction by whole number. Now take second example. 5 by 7 is divided by 6. So as I explained in first example, when we divide a fraction by a whole number, first we replace the division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of whole number. So here whole number is 6 and reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. If possible then simplify. Here we can't simplify, that's why 5 into 1 upon 7 into 6, and that is equal to 5 upon 42. Therefore 5 by 7 divided by 6 gives 5 upon 42. Now see example number 3. 2 by 3 divided by 5. Okay, so here we have to divide this mixed fraction by whole number. So whenever there is a mixed fraction, first convert this fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so step 1, here mixed fraction is 2 by 3, convert it into a proper fraction. So 2 by 3 can be written as 8 by 3. Okay, so therefore 2 by 3 divided by 5 is equal to 2 by 3 means 8 by 3 divided by 5. And as I explained in previous examples how to divide fraction by whole number, so first replace division by multiplication, write the reciprocal of whole number. If possible then simplify. Here we can't possible, so 8 ones are 8 and 3 fives are 15. Therefore 2 by 3 divided by 5 is equal to 8 upon 15. As like this you can divide a mixed fraction by whole number. Just take one more example. So divide 4 by 5 by whole number 3. So what we will do, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 into 4 plus 2 divided by 5 divided by 3 as it is. 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 2 22 by 5 divided by 3. So 22 by 5 into 1 by 3, and that's equal to 20 upon 15. So 4 by 5 divided by 3 is equal to 22 upon 15. As like this you can divide any fraction or mixed fraction by a whole number. Now third point is division of fraction by another fraction. Means we have given here two fractions and we have to divide the two fractions. Okay, means how to divide a fraction by another fraction by another fraction. So what is the step? As we discussed in previous example, So by using that discussions we can solve this division also. So first step is, when we divide a fraction by another fraction, first step is just replace division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of second fraction. So here second fraction is 6 by 5 and reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. So 1 into 5 5 and 3 into 6 18. That's why 1 upon 3, when we divide 1 upon 3 by 6 by 5 we get 5 upon 18. So just take first fraction as it is, replace division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of another fraction and then solve. Okay, now example 2. 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So as I explained in above examples, so just write 3 by 5 as it is, replace division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of another fraction. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So solve. 3 into 2 6, 5 into 1 5. Therefore 3 by 5 upon 1 by 2 is equal to 6 by 5. Okay, now example number 3. 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So here fraction divided by fraction, here also fraction divided by fraction, here also fraction divided by fraction, but here is mixed fraction. So first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how we convert? 2 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, take division sign as it is and write another fraction. So first simplify it. 3 to the 6 plus 2, that is 8 upon 3 and divided by 3 by 5. So here now we can divide this fraction by fraction as like above example. So take 8 by 3 as it is, replace division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of another fraction. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So 8 5 is 40 and 3 3 is 9, and 40 by 9 can also be written as 4 by 9. Okay, so that's why 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 is equal to 4 by 9. So whenever there is mixed fraction, first convert it into improper fraction and then do calculation as we have discussed. Okay, now take example number 4. As 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So as I explained in previous example, first whenever there is mixed fraction, first convert it into improper fraction. So 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2. Okay, and then solve as usual. 2 by 5 as it is, division sign replaced by multiplication and reciprocal of another fraction. So reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3 and do the calculation. 2 into 2 4, 5 into 3 15. Therefore 2 by 5 upon 1 by 2 is 4 upon 15. There will be example like this also. 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 5, mixed fraction divided by mixed fraction. So whenever there is mixed fraction, first convert it into improper fraction. So 2 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5, division sign as it is. Here 1 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5. So here 5 to the 10 plus 1 11 upon 5 divided by 6 upon 5. So when we divide fraction by fraction, take first fraction as it is, replace division sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of another fraction. So reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. So Here 5 get cancelled, so what remains? 11 into 1, that is 11 upon 6 into 1, that is 6. So 2 1 by 5 upon 1 1 by 5 is 11 upon 6, and it can be written as 1 5 by 6 also. Okay, 1 5 by 6. So as like this you can divide fraction by fraction, fraction by mixed fraction, and mixed fraction by mixed fraction.